Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Orange Zest. My name is Kiran and on this channel we make lot of videos related to food, productivity, lifestyle and many more things. So you get everything on this channel, and today's video is about my book reading list. So here are some books which I have, which I will be reading in this year. So there are not 12 books or 22 books, but these are the quarterly book reading list. These books will last me for 3 to 4 months, so I will be done reading one book in 1 month. But now my reading habits are improved, so I will be finishing most of the books in 1 or 2 months. So but yeah, I will show you which all books I will be reading this year. So I will also be updating this video, and yeah, without further ado, let's start with this video. So before diving deep into which all books I will be reading, I want to say that it's 2022 and it's high time everyone starts to read book, because nowadays our lifestyle it has become so fast and everything is so fast. We get to know everything within seconds. Literally in seconds we can call anyone, we can know what's going on in the world, and that is the good thing. But also our lifestyle has become very fast, and we don't enjoy the slow living, the mindfulness, the living in the moment. And reading a books provide with that. So also it gives us immense knowledge. I don't need to say that, but books provide us with so many things, and that's why it is high time everyone should start reading the book. You can read any sort of books which you want, but start reading the books. And now let's dive into which all books I will be reading for this quarterly. And now let's start. Okay, so the first book which I am reading is this Atomic Habits by James Clear. So yeah, this book was recommended to me by one of my friend, and also this book was very popular on Instagram. Everywhere this book was there, so I thought I will also give this a try, to improve the habits for the coming year. And I have read around 100 pages of this book, and what basically this book talks about is how you can develop your daily small habits, how small habits make a lot of impact, and how they will help you in becoming a successful person in your life, and how you can build this habit. These books give the step-by-step process, not just build habits. And no, these books give the whole process, how to do that. For example, how to sleep on time, and how to avoid drama, how to focus on the work which you are doing. So yeah, this books tells about everything, and it has some stories of author and everything. So it's interesting book, easy to read. It is not such anything which you can't grasp. So this book is easy to read, and I will highly recommend this book to any person who wants to make changes in their lifestyle regarding to anything. So you can have this book. And yeah, the second book which I am reading is this. It's the Mindset from Dr. Carol S. Dweck. So this is the book Mindset, and this is how the book is. And what this book talks about is how you can change your mindset, and change it into a growth mindset, and a mindset which will lead you to a successful life. So there are two types of mindset which are given in this book. One is the growth mindset, and the other one is the fixed mindset. If you have any problem, so a fixed mindset will say that what I can do, I cannot do anything about that. If you get low marks in your exam, so these books give example of this. If you get low marks in exam, a person with a growth mindset will think yes, I have to improve, I have to study more, I have to do more studies, and then I will get good marks. But person with a fixed mindset will think yeah, this subject is not for me, I can't understand, what can I do? So this is what the book tells about. It gives the whole process, how you can change your mindset, how you can make it more better, how you can make better decisions, and work hard, and work for your skills to improve, and how you can not take things on your ego and try to learn things. So this book mostly talk about that. It also talks about mindset for coaching, mindset for parents, mindset in love, and many things this book talks about. So if you want to know more in deep about the mindset, you can check out this book Mindset by Dr. Carol S. Dweck. And this book is also easy to understand, not so much intricate things. So yes, this is a good book for self-help and you can definitely check this out. So the third book which I am reading is this Good Vibes, Good Life from Vex King. So this book was also so like popular on Instagram, and all the bookgram accounts were reading this book, and I found this book like very attractive when the time I was buying this. So like this book covers a lot of topic, and this is my favorite book from all these 4 books which I will be reading for this quarterly. So what are things like this book talks about? So let me give you an insight. This talks about the law of vibration, how you can increase your vibration like to manifest things, and also positive lifestyle habits. So how you can find like positive lifestyle habits which will help you to improve your lifestyle, like surrounding yourself with positive people, changing your body language, taking some time out for yourself, like self love, and finding some inspiration, stay clear of gossip and drama. And yeah, these books contain so many parts, and like it talks about really good things like which are really important for our life to be a improved and a happy lifestyle. Also it talks about the power of a good partner, facing family, handling negative people, and how to appreciate your physical beauty, compare only with yourself, and yeah, manifesting goals and mind work. So yeah, this book is totally my type. Like these are the all the topics which I love to like speak about, to read about. And if you are someone who is interested in these topics, you can like definitely check out this book. This book is like small, easy to read and cute book, and yeah, you can definitely try out this one. Okay, so the last book of this video is this The Universe Has Your Back, and this is from Gabriela Bernstein, and this book is the New York Times bestseller #1. So yeah, this book is really nice. Like I have read around 60 pages of this book, and this book talks about like how you can know the power you have inside yourself. So like every human being which is there on earth has power to like make his life beautiful. Like everyone deserves to have a beautiful and happy life. No one deserves to have pain in their life. Like you can change how you can see the pain. You can like know your power, what all power you have inside you, and how you can connect with that power, and how you can like this book talks mostly about the spiritual development part. So yeah, and how meditation helps, and like how you can connect with your power. And like also some topics which are there in these books are like you are the dreamer of your dream. Like whatever we project on in our mind, like whatever we have projected in our mind, like I want to say that I am a person and I'm kind, I'm always happy. That what happens in reality. If you like keep projecting things like negative things to yourself, like then negative things will keep happening. So this is what this book talks about. Basically like many things, not only this, but how universe can help you, and how like you can be in your power, how you can ask for guidance from universe, how you can always be loved and support, how you have to change your thoughts into positive thoughts. So there are a lot of things which this book talks about, and if these are the topic that interest you, then this book is definitely for you. Like give it a try. It is obviously the bestseller, so this is one of the like best books you can like read for the self-developmental self-love process. And yeah, so you can give this book a try. So these were the 4 books which I will be reading for this quarterly. And also if you don't have these books, and like if you want to read books, so you can also start by like downloading the application like Google Books or Play Books, where you can like read free books. So there are a lot of free books which are available there, so you can like try reading out that books. There are short books, not like in free version. Like in some apps you get the whole book, in some apps you get the half book, and some free books which are there which are short books. So like you can try experimenting with that, like if you like reading, or you can improve your habit of reading. And in these apps you will get lot of books which will be also helpful like short books which you can read in one day, and like it will be helpful for you. So there is no such boundary that you only have to have physical books to read. You can obviously download any ebook, PDF and read that. So yeah, you will be happy to read books and gain knowledge, and also your speaking skills will increase, and there are a lot of like positive impact which will have on you. And yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time in another video. Bye.